Namaste. I welcome you all in our very first video of its kind, which will explain you scientific Ayurveda. I welcome you all to our new channel, Scientific Ayurveda channel. Scientific Ayurveda. The word itself says that it has science and Ayurveda, that Ayurveda augmented with science. What is Ayurveda? Ayurveda is an ancient wisdom. Ayur means life which starts from birth to death, and Ved means eternal sustainable knowledge for the well-being of human, for the well-being of the nature. So being healthy is our well-being, and healthy longevity is the aim of human life. We are living for a healthy longevity. Ayurveda is eternal sustainable knowledge for well-being of life, and which is in Sanskrit language. The ancient texts like Charak Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, Ashtanga etc. explain Ayurveda in detail. So from Ayurvedic methods to interpreting with advanced methods of modern sciences, that is scientific Ayurveda. So what is the definition of scientific Ayurveda? Scientific Ayurveda is an advanced way of treatments and therapies in line with modern era, which along with Ayurvedic diagnostic methods use modern diagnostic tools as well as a great value addition to reach a better diagnosis, to treat an individual with simple herbal medicines more efficiently for standardized and time-bound treatment modules. Difference between Ayurveda and scientific Ayurveda. Ancient sages Charak, Sushrut and Vagbhat provided us of various diagnostic and therapeutic methods which are very unique clinical descriptions. Modern science, physics, chemistry, biology, IT and electronics developed advanced techniques to look into the body and even at microcellular levels. So scientific Ayurveda is Vedic as well as scientific knowledge to treat an individual. What are the advantages of scientific Ayurveda? Scientific Ayurveda advocates use of both the diagnostic methods, ancient Ayurvedic methods and modern scientific methods like USG, blood investigations, MRIs to interpret to reach to perfect diagnosis and treatment models. Scientific Ayurveda is a new advanced method to get accuracy of diagnosis, quick effective results, time-bound treatment schedules, standardized and safe herbal medications, to reduce medications freedom from medicines and to clear confusion. Scientific Ayurveda, a new advanced method for satisfying explanation of our ailments, maximum possible cure, to develop self-help, to reduce expenses, to reduce need of panchakarma dependency, to get cured or treated easily, to get all the explanations of health. How does scientific Ayurveda works? It analyzes effects at microcellular levels of causative factors and treatment, tracing on the root etiology and causative factors, diagnosing the disease timeline, advanced application of diagnostic tools, minimum medicines, predefined duration, perfect selection of herbs, explanation on health status and diagnosis of future diseases by studying prodromal symptoms in one patient. So think in advance, think health in advance with scientific Ayurveda. Are these treatment costly? No, these are not the costly treatments. Time-bound treatment schedule makes it cheaper. Maximum results makes it cheaper, reducing overall treatment cost. It's a very rich value-added service which gives the maximum benefit to the patient so as to get maximum benefit from disease cure. Indications of scientific Ayurveda. All diseases from simple to chronic diseases which didn't had any satisfactory answers and result from any medicine stream is the basic thing. Diabetes mellitus, uncontrolled blood sugar levels despite long-term use of modern medicine and even insulin, diabetic eye and foot care, high blood pressure. For best results one should seek treatment in early stages but useful even in chronic stages also. Lipid derangements, increased cholesterol, increased triglyceride levels are very well treated. What are the newer indications? Pre-operative treatment, treatment to avoid operative procedure or as support for a post-operative outcome, Post-trauma pains, post-accident, non-relieving musculoskeletal pains is a big trouble. Non-healing wounds, diabetic ulcers, leprotic ulcers, burns. Osteoarthritis, knee osteoarthritis, acute and chronic condition. Other indications, there are many. Cervical lumbar spondylosis, shoulder ailments, gout and related diseases, chronic colds and sinusitis, asthma, heart diseases, renal failure, gastrointestinal diseases from constipation to ulcerative colitis. The other indications, they are coming, like all the gynecological diseases like chronic leukorrhea, menstrual disorders, PCODs, etc. Infertility, primary or secondary, male infertility, male impotence, preconception treatments for Rasayan treatment for couples, child care, childhood asthma, child growth, IQ improvement, skin diseases including psoriasis, rare diseases like MDS, portal hypertension, chemotherapy toxicity, child adult stammering, and eye diseases are also treatable with Ayurvedic treatment. Believe in scientific Ayurveda future of healthy longevity for any ailment or any disorder for standardized time-bound treatments. Be simple disease or be it a chronic or an incurable disease state. No miracles, no claims. It's only and only pure science and Ayurveda combined together to create miracles. When the results come, people say it's really miraculous. What is so special about scientific Ayurveda? Rasayan treatment, rejuvenating therapies, Vajikaran treatment, treatment for youthfulness, and Arogyadhyay, the health education to reduce confusion about one's body, senses, mind, and soul. Live healthy, disease-free life full of youthfulness. Avoid aging, degrading your body and mind. Get the best of disease management and understanding. Reduce possibilities of hospitalization. Reduce possibilities of disease complications. Reduce on big expenses by lending into emergencies. Boost your immunity and ojas. End the fear of diseases to improve psychology. Transform yourself for vitality. So, this is our head clinic with 25 years of clinical experience, thousands of patients with good experience at Sri Athara Ayurveda Clinic, Pimpri, Pune. Our number 9225 So you can also locate us on Google Map. Thank you very much. This concept is developed by Dr. Hatankar Scientific Ayurveda Private Limited, and this concept is originally of Dr. Vijay Hatankar, who is our MD. Always believe in scientific Ayurveda, its future of health.